Alright, this is what I'm going to do, is I'm going to start out with a 562, and it literally doesn't have a tank through it. I just put it together, so this is as much to let it sort of run and self-tune as anything else. But it also has a chain which is less than desirable. So let's just see if it fires off easy. Let's see what it does on restart. Alright, let's go right to the 925. See if that thing will start. This is the kit saw, basically from a box of parts. This is another saw where I'll tell you what, with a good chain, this thing would be a ripping saw. So let's try restart on a hot day. Now remember, that also has the aftermarket carburetor and everything, so I have to say that it ran quite well for, well, an aftermarket part saw, because that's about what it is. Well, got the barn and chain swapped over, in part because it's really easy to do with those inboard clutch style case layouts. 372s are like that, 390s. A bunch of the steels are, you know. I prefer them. Now, I have to confess, when I changed that bar and chain over, I realized I put an 8-pin sprocket on the X-Torque converted to a big bore. Alright, so that may make a difference. That's the blem saw because it was a blemished short block with a 52mm Farmertec top end. And I think I did deck that one. You'll have to go back to the video to see how much. Which means I didn't change the ports, which means its RPMs will be down. And to compensate, what I did is I put an 8-tooth sprocket on there. When you start cutting transfer port area, that means you start losing RPMs. But conversely, when you start increasing compression, you start increasing torque. Torque is a good thing. So that's why I changed the sprocket to the 8-tooth. Yeah. See what it does with restart. Well, that's a strong freaking saw right there. Really the only thing I did with those is get the squish into the 20 thousandths range. That's all I did. I can tell you right now, that'll just absolutely eat a standard X-Torque. I know I'm going to get some crap about that, but it's not even close. That's a beast. The question is, how long does it last? You know?